This is a question we all ask when we're kids. Why is the sky blue? Many think that it reflects the color of the ocean, but that's a huge myth. It's not a short answer, but it is a simple one that's easy to understand. So let's find out, once and for all, why the sky is blue. The color that comes from the sun is a white light that is a mixture of all the colors of the rainbow. When the sunlight gets to the atmosphere of Earth, the gases and particles are scattered in every direction in the air. Isaac Newton discovered that a prism could separate the different colors and form a spectrum. He further proved that it wasn't the prism coloring the light by refracting the light back together. Each shade of color comprises different wavelengths. Red has the longest waves, and violet has the shortest waves. Short wavelengths are scattered more strongly than long waves. Then why don't we see a violet sky? This is because of our eyes. We distinguish colors by using cones in our retinas, which are photoreceptor cells. Each retina contains 5 million cones of 3 different types which specialize in different colors. Specifically, the 3 different colors are red, blue, and green, which are the colors our eyes respond the strongest to. Even though violet is the shortest, the atmosphere making there less violet and the light absorbs it. Our eyes are less sensitive to violet because of our color receptors. That leaves us to see a blue sky, since blue is the second shortest wavelength. So on a clear day with no clouds, we will see a blue sky because the molecules in the air scatter blue light more. Red light during the day doesn't quite scatter in the daytime. When the sun sets, everything changes. Reds, oranges, pinks, and purples are common colors seen in sunsets. When the sun sets, the blue light scatters where it moves, and it becomes blue out of our line of sight. The sunset will appear yellow if the air is clear, since the sunlight has traveled a long distance through the air. The sunset will be redder because the light goes through a thicker atmospheric layer in a more polluted place. The blue and green wavelengths are scattered along the route, while the red wavelengths pass through. Meanwhile, because of the salt particles in the air, sunsets over the water may appear orange. You should never stare directly at the sun, because you will most likely grow blind. However, because light would reach your eyes directly, you would be able to see all of the wavelengths. Because we view the light from shorter wavelengths, when we look away from the sun, it appears white in our peripherals. So there's your daily science lesson. Many people ask this basic question, yet just a few people know the answer. You'll be ready with a knowing response the next time this subject arises, whether it's from a child or as a question at your local pub quiz. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe.